Ghanaians.
Miniano. What do Mama eat? Okay, so what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite chicken, your favorite hot chicken wing himself, the Dze-Liciousss SESi. Okay. So in today's episode, we are going to talk about if you are new here and you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. Okay, just support the brand. You get it? Support the brand. So that was just by the way. Okay, so in today's episode, we're going to talk about the Know Me Well tag. The Know Me tag, whatever. Yes. So I believe most of you all don't know me. My real name is Etiam SESi. That's my real name. Etiam Eti SESi. Yes, that's my real name. And I conducted a couple of surveys, and I finally decided to go with the Know Me Well tag, because since I'm new here, you're also new here, and you want to subscribe, please, I'm begging you to subscribe, okay, for more videos, okay, just subscribe. So in the survey, these are the questions people asked, or these are the questions people would like to know about me. So the first question is, mention your top 5 best celeb singers. Top 5 best. Okay, I actually have 4 crushes, female crushes. Number 1 is Adele. Number 2, Alicia Keys. Number 3, Efia, Ghana. Efia, best in me. And Asa, Nigeria. The lady who sang Mr. Jada. Yeah, that's the lady. Yeah. So the 5th person will be the queen herself, Beyonce. Yes, these are my 5 top female singers, celebrity singers. Okay, so the next question, apart from jollof, what's your favorite food? Hey. Oh, okay. So the thing is, apart from jollof, I would like to eat either noodles or banku. Yes, because I'm number 9. The third question, what's your favorite song? My favorite song is He Saw the Best in Me by Bishop Marvin Sapp. He's an American singer, award-winning American singer. Yeah. And what favorite restaurant have you been? I remember back in 2017, someone introduced me to this gobe behind Ministry of Finance. Chai. Gobe kakra, pe kakra, engoko kakra, gai kakra. I keep telling people that you have to eat gobe before you die. Okay, you eat gobe. Even if you don't eat much, eat gobe kakra before you die. So the next set of questions, what's your favorite music genre? I love reggae. I'm a reggae fan. I love reggae. Bob Marley, Christopher, Akese Brimpong, Lucky Dube, Peter Tosh, Culture, and the likes. Stonebwoy and the likes. And who did you look up to growing up? I really like this man, ex-president, Flight Lieutenant J.G. Rawlings, because I was born on the 22nd of June. So he's kind of like my, well, he is, not kinda, he is my birthday mate. Okay, so are you named after anyone? Okay, well, I quite remember my dad told me he named me after this man that I used to work with, Samuel Bronibi. He was called Larry. Yeah, so my favorite singer is Bishop Marvin Sapp. I said that earlier. Favorite sports? I love WWE. And guys, let me clear this off your mind. WWE is not real. It's not real. So please, oh my say oh no. Far from that. And yeah, real, cannot at all. Okay, the most pardon me. The most important thing in my life right now is my family. That's the most important thing. And another thing is me winning souls for Christ. It's a must. It's a great commission. So it's something that I ought to do every time. So those are the two most important things. So if I've not told you about Christ, I'm really, really sorry. Jesus Christ loves you. So please, all you need to do is just accept him as your Lord and personal Savior, and that's all. Okay? That's fine. Yeah, so that's what we're dealing with today. Even though it's too short, if you want to know more, just subscribe. And don't forget to hit on the notification icon. Okay? So that anytime I drop a video, you guys will be the first to watch and you share. Thank you very much, and it's bye for now. Bye. I feel like doing my intro again. Hey, what's up, my hot chicken wings? It's your boy, the Delicious SESi. And I'm out.